Yo, what up, guys? It's January, Wednesday the 8th, and I'm running late. It's already 11:03. So let me get to Hollywood and then see what we get. Or, in other words, let's see how much money we can make, because I'm late. But I'm gonna hop on the highway to get to Hollywood ASAP. So let's go. So I made it. Now I just gotta wait for the first order. By the way, I lost my DoorDash and it's dead. Let me see. I wasn't gonna work because of all the smoke. Oh, it's busy. Yay. I only got an hour though. It's all good. We'll take it. All right, cool. So let me get the first order, then I'll check back in. Okay, you guys see the smoke all the way over there by the mountains? That's crazy. And it was so windy yesterday, it took down the power lines. Damn, I think LA was chaotic yesterday. But it was cool. It was cool. It was fun. It was fun to work. But hopefully they can put out the fire soon. Because yeah, it's not looking good. Check it out. The wind took down this tree right here too. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, it was crazy yesterday. It was crazy. All right, so let me see. Hopefully we get the first order right away. All right, so we got the first one, 1650, 5.1 miles, a double from the Ghost Kitchen. It's going to a little bit past Highland and Lexington, and then the other one's going towards a little past La Brea. So easy. Let me just grab them. All right, we got both of them. Damn, where's my pocket? All right, let's go drop them off. I don't know. I don't know if you guys could see that far, but you could still see the smoke over there. It's still burning. Ah, that's crazy. Let me get closer. Yeah, right. Check it out, though. It looks crazy. Right here somewhere. All right, he's coming down. He texts me right now. So this one 1200. Yeah. Yeah. Let me hand it though. Map. No, it's here. 8046. 8046 is right here. All right, cool. Oh shit, that shit's lucky. Hopefully no dog. Oh hey, sorry. Ah, you got it. All right, you're welcome. Have a good one. All right, thank you. All right, cool. We're done with that. Damn, for a second she looked like Uma Thurman, but I don't think it was her. All right, let's go. All right, we got a double from Chipotle. Well, it was a single and then an add-on, so a double. Ooh, shit, that was fun. All right. So it came in as a single, and then it was an add-on. Hold on, let me tell you. So the first one's 805, 1.6 miles, and then the second one is 0.8, 653. Let me go ahead and grab them. All right, so we got them both. This is for Jessica, and then the other one. All right. It's gonna be this building right here for the first one. All right, let me go drop off. All right, let's go drop off the next one. All right, so this one's at that the WeHo City Hall. Oopsie. She got mad. She mad. All right, let me drop this off real quick, and I already got another one for $11.
That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you if you're familiar with the yeah.
Hi, can I drop this off for oh, for Jessica?
Cool. And then just had a question for you, I think. Yeah.
It says to leave it here with you guys?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, thank you guys. Let me take a quick picture. Oh, so you want to be in it? Nice. Thank you guys. Sorry. Have a good one. All right. All right, so the other one's from Hugo's restaurant. It's that way, I know for a fact. And that one's paying out, there's going 1 point something miles for 11. 1118, 1.4 miles. How many items? It doesn't say. Let me see. 10 items. Damn. All right, cool. My last delivery, not this one, not the City Hall. The one, the Chipotle, the second Chipotle. I accidentally left it on the PH 8 and it was PH 17. I don't know, I got distracted and they texted me, but I told them I left it, I accidentally left it. They're asking for a picture. Man. Hold on. Ah, what a mess. I messed up. Alright, and I'm here too. Damn. Let me fix this. Alright. We got it. I don't know, the customer keeps asking me if I could send her a picture. So I did through the app, but I already closed the app, so I can't send another one. Plus, I already left the building. I'm already on my second delivery from the last one. So, damn. I already told her I left it by PH 8, and she keeps asking for a picture. I'm about to about to hit her up and tell her, you know what, just call support. They'll resend you a picture. Like, stop bothering me. It's getting annoying now. Anyways, I got that one. Let's go drop it off. Let me see. 10 items, man. Just some reason. All right. This is, it's a hotel. Okay, cool. It got windy too now. Alright, let me take Kings Road. Alright, so I guess she found it. She never hit me back up, so that's cool. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a bad rating though, but it's my fault. I messed up. I left it at pH 8 when it was supposed to be dropped off at pH 17, so I messed up. I deserve it. But anyways, we're 2 minutes away from the drop off from Hugo's restaurant. Oh, I know where it's at. Let me see. This is Beverly. Easy. I know that hotel. Are they gonna meet me outside? Meet at door, but there's no suite number, so probably they're probably gonna be outside. So let's go. All right, so $5. No, 2 miles. Hell no. All right, let me find this guy. Where is he? I'm getting this Joanne's on 3rd for yeah, I'm taking this $14, taking me back to Hollywood. Let me see. Yeah, 14.25, 6.3 miles, going to Beechwood from Joanne's on Joanne on 3rd. So easy. It better not be coffee though. I hope not. All right, let's go grab it. Got my shit first. They mad over there. Let's go, let's go. Alright. You know what? Ted, you're right. I'll probably remove this one and just leave those two. You're right, Ted. Thanks. Alright, so it's right here. I think it's this one. Yeah. See, okay, let me focus. Okay, so my dash ended, made 30.75. It's still busy, so let me dash till 1:30. Well, 30 minutes. Cool. All right, now let me focus with Uber Eats. An alfalfa from Uber Eats. This one's paying out $12, 4.8 miles, going to Alden and Maple Drive. So pretty easy. All right, let's go. Man, look at all that smoke. Crazy. Ah, damn. All right, I'm almost there. Oh, literally next to the goop kitchen. Hopefully I get something from there. Alright, so it's right here. I gotta go up there. Just to be safe. Alright, let me go drop off. Okay, I got another double. I'm just gonna take it because it's kind of slow right now. It's a double for 11. Damn, look at the smoke. Man, that thing looks cool. Alright, it's a double for 11. I'll tell you guys right now. From Roots and then this ramen place. Hold on. I had gotten this one from Cantor's. It was a double 16, 4.2 miles, but it was gonna take like 20 to 25 minutes, so I had to cancel it. And I didn't want to go to Beverly Hills, so that's cool. It's this one, 11:52, 4.2 miles, and it's going to Virgil Melrose, but it's taking me back where I want to be. So let me grab it. All right, damn, the lights are out. Okay. All right, let me grab the other one real quick. Hey, how's it going? Picking up for Ari. Thank you. All right, let's go. All right. Let me drop off the first one for Chloe. That's from Roots. Okay. It's 801. Alright, next one. Alright, I'm gonna head back to Western because seems like a lot of restaurants in Silver Lake are closed because of the power outage. See, this motherfucker. They don't even pay attention. Yeah, all the stoplights are messed up, so a lot of restaurants closed. Really sucks. Damn, I don't even think I'm gonna make 100. It's all good though. It's all good. got to a spot. I don't think I mentioned this drop off, right? This one was Organico. 3 miles, $9. Organico. So let's go drop it off. Let me check if the restaurants are open here too. Oh no, Pine and Crane is closed. What? Damn. Let me see, the window's open. Bravo's closed too. Damn. No wonder it's so slow. Oh, I got one. Damn, it's going far though. Pasadena. Yeah, no, that's going way too far. Damn, even Sweet Greens is closed. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so I got a Mendo for 20, 50, 4.3 miles. Both of the orders are from here. So let me grab it. I'm gonna cut because they have music. All right, they were ready. So let's go. All right, 161 right here. Has to be this one. It's a meetup door. Let me go upstairs. All right, we're done with those. It's 20 bucks. Let's head back up, see what we could get. I got a Organico 6 miles going to downtown Hope and 11 for 17.17. Just waiting for it. nice, like always. This part is nice. All right, so let me drop off. Hey, how's it going? Here. Thank you. You're welcome. All right. All right, let's head back to Hollywood. All right, got a $7 order, 0.6 miles from here, 7-Eleven. Oh my God, this thing's so annoying. All right, so it's Alki. Some White Claws, some chips. All right, let's go. Oh damn. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna start heading home because everything seems to be closed today. So if I get anything on my way home, then I'll check in. But if not, then this is pretty much it, man. Ooh, what a lame ass day. At least I made it close to 150, so that's cool. I didn't go home empty-handed, but oh damn, the light's not working here. Ah damn. All right guys, well let me get to Silver Lake. If I don't get anything, then peace. All right.